So it's 10 o'clock on Friday night in Oaxaca. This is 3 days before their biggest festival, the DELICIOSA. And we're gonna walk around and check out some of the great street food that they have.
¿Te preparo una tostada?
¿Verdura, queso y salsa? Queso. ¿Queso? ¿Con salsa? No, sin salsa. ¿Pero guacamole?
No guacamole.
Puro frijol, queso y verdura. Es una quesadilla con puro frijol, queso y verdura.
What's that? ¿Qué es eso?
Quesadilla.
¿Qué es el quesadilla?
Quesadilla de queso.
Ah.
¿Para comer aquí o para llevar?
Aquí.
Para comer aquí en la quesadilla.
And it's tostada, ¿sí?
Tostadas.
Sí. ¿Qué es eso?
Molotes.
Molotes. ¿Qué es?
Vaca con chorizo.
Ah, este.
Taco dorado. Pollo.
Pollo, chorizo,
Y
and
queso.
quesadilla. Ah, sí. And ese es
Patitas.
yeah, sí. Oink, oink. Sí. Ah.
¿Qué vas a cenar, amigo? ¿Tacos, molotes?
So that's a cheese quesadilla right from the street vendor. 20 pesos. So that comes out to just a little bit over $1 in US currency. Tell me what you think.
It's hot.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll wait till it cools down. In the meantime, I'll film around.
También acá o están allá enfrente, está más cómodo.
This is a marimba. Very nice. Let's see if that quesadilla is cooled down. So, moment of truth. Have a bite. And?
It's good.
Excellent. I'm gonna try a tostada. So, tostada con qué?
Hay de quesillo,
So, queso, sí. Okay, so queso,
queso, frijol, guacamole,
guacamole,
picante, salsa,
picante, sí.
verdura.
Okay, so queso, guacamole, picante, frijoles, sí, poquito frijoles. Okay, sí. ¿Es especial de Oaxaca? Sí.
Sin verdura, ¿verdad?
No. No.
Guacamole, ¿verdad?
Sí, guacamole.
¿Le pongo verdura o no le pongo verdura?
No. Gracias, no.
¿Picante?
Picante, sí.
¿Así?
Sí.
Queso.
Queso. Claro, queso.
¿Así está bien?
Gracias. All right. Here, you film me. Just hold it in my general direction. Oaxacan tostada.
Quesadilla y molote.
Very good. So to drink, something called Jamaica. I'm probably butchering that. It's a very red drink. Tastes a little like cranberry juice, but it's not. Gracias, señor. What do you think?
What is it?
Not entirely sure.
You're not entirely sure. That's comforting.
Tastes a little like cranberry juice.
Watered down, yeah.
Yeah, was good.
Yeah.
Alright. So Oaxaca is famous for its cheese and for these tostadas, and also for the marimba guy who seems to have left us.
Oh, this is left the building.
So I'm gonna have a little bit of this and then we'll continue our walk. So all in, that meal was like $4. And that flat meat that they're cooking there, that's pork. That's a giant tostada. Very good, very filling. Let's see if we can find some dessert. Oh. And look at this flan. It's a flan, see? Do you want flan? ¿Qué es eso?
Pastel de galleta de limón.
That's a lemon pie.
I like that.
Then we're gonna do, sí, uno. Hold this.
30.
30.
30.
Take a bite, let's see what you think. And?
It's good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
You want to share with me? Come on, come on, come on, share with me.
Oh, yeah. Sure.
One of the great things about this city is even if you're going blocks south of the Zocalo where it's less activity, on every corner there's food. It's virtually impossible to not find something to eat in this great town. So that's it for the food tour for tonight. Hope you enjoyed.